Welcome to TechVerse, where we bring you the latest and most exciting tech deals and updates. Today, we're diving into an incredible offer that you simply cannot miss. Windows 11 Pro or Home is practically free now, available for just $18, a staggering 90% discount. And this instant download has the power to transform your older PC or laptop running an outdated operating system into a faster, safer, and more efficient machine, enhanced further by the addition of Microsoft's AI-powered assistant, Copilot, which immediately makes your computer smarter and more versatile. With one activation key working on up to 2 devices, as long as your PC or Windows laptop meets the basic requirements of at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, 40 gigabytes of available hard drive space, a 1 gigahertz or faster processor, and is currently running Windows 10, you can download and install either Windows 11 Pro or Home and enjoy a lifetime license, ensuring that once installed, the difference is immediately apparent, thanks to a vastly improved, intuitive interface that's easier on the eyes, along with innovative features such as snap layouts and desktops, improved voice typing, and more robust search options that make Windows 11 Pro and Home the most accessible versions of the operating system. Imagine exploring your newly upgraded PC with the help of Copilot, which can quickly locate and change settings, search for files, kickstart your writing process, generate imagery from your suggestions, and even assist with web searches, all while PC gamers rejoice over the inclusion of DirectX 12 Ultimate, which delivers a huge leap in graphics quality by supporting ray tracing, mesh shaders, variable rate shading, and sampler feedback, offering a level of realism that brings gaming to a whole new dimension. Moreover, whether you're gaming or working, security is paramount, and Windows 11 Pro and Home stands as the most secure version of Windows yet, featuring biometric login, TPM 2.0 for robust protection against malware and cyber attacks, and encrypted authentication for an added layer of safety. All of these impressive upgrades make this one of the most significant enhancements you can give your PC or laptop at any price point. But with Stack Social running this 90% off deal, it's arguably the best $18 you'll ever spend on a tech upgrade, transforming your everyday device into a powerful, modern workstation. So, if you're ready to experience a faster, more secure, and more intelligent PC environment, seize this opportunity to upgrade to Windows 11 Pro or Home today and join the revolution in computing powered by innovative features and AI-driven efficiency. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech news and unbeatable deals, only here on TechVerse.